Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Python Shorts, short Python tutorials that are to the point. So today we're going to talk about how to break out of loops. Sometimes a condition, if you're not sure if a condition will be met or not, you might need a break statement to get you out of the loop. So what do I mean by a break statement? In the last video we covered a while statement, and we had something like this: x equals 0, y equals 0, and said while x is equal to 0. If you haven't watched that, please go back and watch it, otherwise this would be a little confusing. Y plus equals 1, and we printed y, and then we said if y equals 6, then we set x equal to 1 to break out of the loop. So what this would do is print 1 through 6, and then it'll exit the loop. So there are two different ways to break out of a loop. One actually takes you out of the whole while loop, and that's called a break statement. The other is called a continue statement, and that gets you to the next iteration. So it basically jumps you back to the top. So if we take out this x equals 1, and we say we're going to print we reached 6, yay, I'm so happy. Oops, we can't have the apostrophe. I'm so happy. And then we continue. That's going to jump us back to the next one. So even if we say x equals 1, it's not going to make it to this x equals 1 because it just ran into the continue statement. So what we're going to see is y will go further than that. So then we're going to have a if y equals 10, then break. So really there's no point in this whole code where x is going to be equal to anything but 0. The continue will skip past the x equals 1, and the break will break us out of the whole while loop. So when we run this, it finished, and it went past 6, even though we had an x equals 1. So continue can be really helpful if you want to break it out of the current loop and jump to the next loop. And break is similar to having the condition being met. Each of these have their own useful times, and you're probably watching this because you came across one of them. So I hope this helped you out. Let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts or suggestions. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and talk to you later. Thanks, bye.